Lipids. Lipids are macromolecules made up of fatty acid. Lipids include oils and fats. Oils and fats. Oils and fats are esters of long-chain carboxylic fatty acids with glycerol. Oils exist in liquid form at room temperature. They are triglycerides of unsaturated fatty acids. Fats, they exist in solid form at room temperature. They are triglycerides of saturated fatty acids. Triglycerides. These esters are made up of 3 fatty acid. Therefore, they are called triglycerides. General formula of triglycerides is C6H8O6. Fatty acids. Fatty acids are building blocks of lipids. They are long-chain unsaturated or saturated carboxylic acids. Examples: